cool roof can cut attic temperatures by 30 degrees or more in Tucson summer. And that savings shows up on every electric bill through June, July, and August. Most existing Tucson flat roofs can be converted to cool roofs without a full replacement. The right reflective coating transforms an absorbing dark surface into an energy-reflecting one. DC Roofing of Arizona installs ENERGY STAR qualified cool roofing systems, including silicone, elastomeric, and foam plus coating combinations designed for Tucson's UV intensity. David Contreras has been installing cool roofing systems in Tucson since 2011, helping homeowners reduce energy costs while extending the life of their existing roof. We serve Savano, Rita Ranch, Vail Park, and every neighborhood across Tucson with cool roofing solutions. ENERGY STAR certified products, written warranty on every cool roof installation, and 4.8 stars. Call DC Roofing of Arizona today for a free cool roofing estimate in Tucson.